severe thunderstorm
SVR.
southern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, east central Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, north central Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maverick Hill, or near Willis, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Floyd, Woolline, Willis, Laurel Fork, Meadows of Dan, Maverick Mill, and Rocky Knob Recreation Area.